Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the change in profit sharing ratio chapter number 3 of plus 2 accountancy and the topic is accounting of goodwill. हमने पहले accounting of goodwill में goodwill was appear in the books of account we have done. Now the second term is when goodwill was valued and goodwill of the firm. These terms, if you found in any question, then these goodwill will be distributed in sacrificing ratio. Again I am repeating, if you found in the question that is goodwill was valued and goodwill of the firm, then these goodwill will be distributed in sacrificing ratio among the partners. And how to find out sacrificing ratio? The formula of sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. Old and new ratio is given in the question. Through that you have to find out sacrificing ratio. I will discuss this thing while taking one example, that is A and B are partners. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2 with effect from 1st April 2024. They decided to share profit equally. Goodwill of the firm was valued rupees 50,000. Pass journal entries. Okay, this is the question. You can see in the question A and B are two partners and their ratio were 3:2 with effect from 1st April. Means 2024 से पहले जो उनकी रेशो थी वो क्या थी? 3:2. That means this is our old ratio is equal to 3:2. And for those students who didn't get which is the new ratio and which one is the old ratio, you can analyze from question with the term with effect from. जहाँ पे ये term लिखी होगी with effect from 1st April, उससे पहले की जो भी ratio होगी that will be your old ratio, and after the term that is with effect from 1st April 2024, उसके बाद जो भी term लिखी होगी, जो भी ratio given होगी, it will be your new ratio. And ratio should be in equal or might be in another ratio that will be given in the question. Okay, so new ratio हमारी आ गई equally. It means how many partners are there? 2 partners, तो equal ratio हो जाएगी 1:1. And in the question see what they have written, the term goodwill of the firm was valued. I told you earlier that when two terms were there, that is goodwill was valued and goodwill of the firm. It means these goodwill will be distributed in sacrificing ratio. This is a short method. बड़े अच्छे से मतलब आप क्वेश्चन में आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो कि कौन सी गुडविल को आपने ओल्ड रेशो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है एंड कौन सी गुडविल को आपने सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशो में करना है. सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशो में आप तब करेंगे जब आपको क्या लिखा होगा, गुडविल ऑफ द फर्म या गुडविल वॉज वैल्यूड. एंड ओल्ड रेशो में आप कब करेंगे, जो मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियो, यू कैन सी दैट वीडियो ऑल्सो. ओल्ड रेशो में हम वो गुडविल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे दैट इज अपीयर और एग्जिस्ट in the books of account, or we can say in the balance sheet. That goodwill will be distributed in old ratio. So in this question we know goodwill of the firm is there, then it should be distributed in sacrificing ratio. For that we need sacrifice ratio. In the question old ratio is given, new ratio is given, so we have to find out sacrificing ratio, and the formula of sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. So how many partners? A and B. Two partners are there. So A's new share would be old ratio कितनी थी? 3/5 minus and new is 1/2. Take the LCM. 10. You can do in two way. आप इस तरीकों के भी कर सकते हैं, इनका LCM ले सकते हैं, या फिर 5 2 10, 3 2 6 माइनस 5 1 5, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल हो. अब यहाँ पे देखो 6 माइनस 5, अगर आपकी बड़ी डिजिट के पहले माइनस होता तो आप यहाँ पे -1 लेते, बट द डिजिट माइनस विल शुड बी इन 5, तो ये क्या आ जाएगा आपका सेक्रीफाइस. पॉजिटिव हमारा क्या होता है, सेक्रीफाइस. 20 न्यू शेयर, ओल्ड रेशियो इज 2/5 minus 1/2. Again 10, 4 minus 5, see now -1/10. जब माइनस में टर्म आए इट विल बी गेन. सो 50,000 को अब हमने इन शेयर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. सो गुडविल ऑफ द फर्म इज इक्वल टू 50,000. यू कैन शो दिस इन वर्किंग नोट. एज अ वर्किंग नोट आप दिखा सकते हैं इसको, इसकी एंट्रीज को. सो ए ने सेक्रीफाइस करा था 1/10 के साथ. एज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल वुड बी 50,000 इंटू जितना सेक्रीफाइस करा 1/10, कितना आ गया 5,000. एंड द सेम मैनर बी शेयर ऑफ गुडविल 50,000. बी ने भी कितने से सेक्रीफाइस करा था, -1 से, तो 1/10, सेम 5,000. एंड द जर्नल एंट्री वी हैव टू बी पास. जर्नल एंट्री whenever in the question goodwill of the firm or goodwill was valued is given, then journal entry should be passed as a gaining partner capital account debit to sacrificing partner, and the narration is goodwill of the firm distributed in sacrificing ratio. So who is the gain here? And the gain is B. So entry will be B's capital account debit to who is the sacrificing? A. A's capital account, and the amount would be, this is a debit, credit, ledger folio. Amount is 5,000, 5,000, 5,000 and 5,000. This is the journal entry. You can write narration goodwill distributed in sacrificing ratio. This is the concept. Again I am repeating. We have two terms. यहाँ पे कर देती हूँ जो पहली वीडियो में भी करवाया था. गुडविल ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं हम, गुडविल ट्रीटमेंट. In the question, if goodwill was appear in books of account or goodwill exist in books of account. मैंने पहले बताया बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट हम बोलते हैं बैलेंस शीट को. इट मीन्स दीज गुडविल अपेयर इन द बैलेंस शीट. फॉर दैट पर्पस दीज गुडविल विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द ओल्ड रेशो अमंग ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. ओल्ड पार्टनर्स के बीच में डिवाइड किया जाता है. तो एंट्री क्या होती है तुम्हारी? पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू गुडविल अकाउंट. And the narration would be goodwill written off among existing partners. These concepts will come in your admission and retirement also. So be careful while doing this treatment. And in the second that we have done today, that is goodwill was valued or goodwill of the firm. If these terms are comes under a question, then we should know these goodwill will be distributed in sacrificing ratio. For that sacrificing ratio we knew about old and new, and sacrificing ratio का formula होता है old ratio minus new रेशो. जब वहाँ से निकाल लेंगे तो गुडविल का जितना शेयर होगा वो आपने उसके सेक्रीफाइसिंग और गेनिंग पे लगा देना. और इसकी एंट्री क्या होती है? गेनिंग पार्टनर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेक्रीफाइसिंग पार्टनर कैपिटल अकाउंट. एंड द नरेशन वुड बी गुडविल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड in sacrificing ratio because this is the goodwill of the firm. That's all for today. Thank you, and please, if you like my videos or you are understanding in the simple way, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much.